Yo, what's up everybody, it's AI Planet here and we're back again with another video. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI with 15 incredible tools that are about to revolutionize your workflow. From boosting your productivity to unleashing your inner creative genius, these tools are game changers. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to work smarter, not harder, stick around because this video is packed with time-saving, life-hacking goodness. And make sure you watch until the end because the last tool on our list is a total game changer. First up, we've got ChatGPT by OpenAI, and let me tell you, this thing is seriously impressive. Need to draft a quick email but don't know where to start? ChatGPT's got your back. Struggling to come up with fresh ideas for your next project? Boom, ChatGPT to the rescue. It's like having a brainstorming buddy available 24/7, ready to bounce ideas off of and help you break through those creative blocks. So, if you're ready to take your writing and communication to the next level, ChatGPT is definitely worth checking out. Next up is a tool that I'm sure many of you are already familiar with, Grammarly. Grammarly eliminates those embarrassing moments by catching not just grammar mistakes but also punctuation errors, spelling slip-ups, and even those pesky misused words. It goes beyond the basics to analyze your writing style, tone, and clarity, ensuring that your message comes across exactly as you intended. Whether you're writing a casual email to a friend or a formal report for work, Grammarly adapts to your needs, suggesting improvements that enhance your writing. And with its seamless integration across multiple platforms, Grammarly is always there to lend a helping hand, making sure your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. Now, let's talk about Notion AI. If you're looking for an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and AI-powered assistance, then look no further. Notion AI acts as your research assistant, summarizing key points, extracting relevant data, and even generating new ideas based on your existing content. With its intuitive interface and customizable templates, you can create a personalized workspace that adapts to your unique workflow. Share your notes, tasks, and projects with team members, and work together seamlessly in real time. So, if you're ready to ditch the scattered notes and embrace a more organized and efficient way of working, Notion AI is the tool for you. Chapter 4. Otter.ai - your AI meeting companion. Otter.ai is your AI-powered meeting companion that records audio, transcribes it in real time, and even identifies different speakers. No more frantic scribbling or trying to remember who said what. Otter.ai captures it all with incredible accuracy. With its powerful AI, Otter.ai can generate summaries of key discussion points, highlight action items, and even create searchable transcripts. So, if you're ready to ditch the stress of note-taking and unlock a new level of meeting productivity, Otter.ai is the tool you've been waiting for. Chapter 5. DALL-E, your AI image generator. This AI tool from OpenAI is like something straight out of a science fiction movie. DALL-E can generate images from text descriptions, creating stunning original artwork, photorealistic images, and even surreal dreamlike visuals. Need a custom illustration for your website? DALL-E can do that. Want to visualize a new product design? DALL-E's got you covered. So if you're ready to unleash your inner artist, explore the boundaries of visual creativity, or simply want to see what AI is capable of, DALL-E is an experience you don't want to miss. Chapter 6. Synthesia, your AI video creation studio. This AI-powered platform lets you create professional-looking videos with incredibly realistic AI avatars, all without the need for cameras, actors, or expensive studios. With Synthesia, you simply choose from a library of diverse AI avatars, type in your script, and voila! Synthesia generates a high-quality video with your chosen avatar delivering the message. Synthesia offers a range of customization options, including different backgrounds, music, and even animations. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI video creation, Synthesia is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 7. Canva Pro, your AI design partner. Canva has always been a go-to tool for creating stunning visuals, but with its AI-powered features, Canva Pro takes things to a whole new level. Canva Pro's Magic Resize feature lets you instantly adapt your design to different social media platforms with just a few clicks. Its design suggestions feature analyzes your content and suggests layouts, fonts, and color palettes that complement your brand and message. Whether you're creating presentations, social media graphics, or even printed marketing materials, Canva Pro empowers you to design like a pro, without the steep learning curve. Chapter 8. Tome, your AI storytelling tool. Tome is an AI-powered storytelling tool that helps you transform static content into engaging, interactive narratives. Simply input your content, and Tome's AI will analyze it, identify key themes, and suggest a structure for your story. With its intuitive interface, you can easily add visuals, embed live interactive product mocks, 3D prototypes, data, web pages, and more directly into your narrative. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI storytelling and captivate your audience like never before, Tome is the tool for you. Chapter 9. Zapier, your AI automation guru. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more important things. Imagine a new lead fills out a form on your website. Zapier can add that lead to your CRM, send a welcome email, and create a follow-up task. Automate social media, track expenses, manage email campaigns, and more. With thousands of integrations connecting over 5,000 apps, the possibilities are endless. Reclaim your time, boost productivity, and say goodbye to tedious tasks with Zapier. Enter the world of AI voice cloning with Resemble AI, a tool that's impressive and a bit eerie. Create realistic, high-quality synthetic voices for audio and video content creation. Imagine creating an audiobook without hiring a professional voice actor. Clone your own voice or choose from a library of voices for videos, podcasts, and more. Explore the creative potential of AI voice cloning with Resemble AI while being mindful of ethical implications. Video editing can be a time-consuming and technically challenging process, but Runway ML is here to change that. This AI-powered video editing tool puts professional-level effects and capabilities within reach of anyone, regardless of their editing experience. Runway ML's AI can intelligently analyze your footage and automatically remove the background, track objects, and even generate stunning visual effects with just a few clicks. It offers a wide range of AI-powered tools for video editing, including style transfer and frame interpolation. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner filmmaker and take your video editing to the next level, Runway ML is the tool you've been waiting for. Attention all bloggers, marketers, and content creators. Tired of staring at a blank page? Struggling to create fresh content? Writesonic is your new secret weapon. This AI-powered assistant supercharges your content creation. Create high-quality content in a flash. Craft compelling ad copy, social media posts, product descriptions, and personalized email campaigns. Adapt to different writing styles and tones. Ensure your content is always on brand. Resonate with your target audience. Kiss writer's block goodbye and unlock content creation possibilities. Writesonic is the AI wizard you need. In today's increasingly interconnected world, language barriers can be a real obstacle to communication and understanding. But with DeepL, those barriers are crumbling faster than ever before. This AI-powered translation tool goes beyond the limitations of traditional translation services, offering unparalleled accuracy, nuance, and natural-sounding translations. DeepL can translate documents, websites, and even entire presentations, preserving the original formatting and layout. Whether you're a student learning a new language, a business professional communicating with international clients, or simply someone who loves to explore different cultures and perspectives, DeepL is the AI language master that will open up a world of possibilities. Transform your content into video gold. In the world of digital marketing, crafting compelling copy that converts is essential. But coming up with fresh, attention-grabbing headlines, taglines, and ad copy can feel like an uphill battle. Copy.ai can help you write engaging social media posts, compelling email subject lines, persuasive product descriptions, and even long-form content like blog posts and articles. With its ability to adapt to different writing styles and tones, Copy.ai ensures that your marketing materials are always on brand and effective. So if you're ready to level up your marketing game and unlock the power of AI-generated copy, Copy.ai is the marketing maestro you need on your team. And there you have it, 15 incredible AI tools that are changing the game for students, professionals, and creatives alike. From writing assistants to video editors, these tools are designed to streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and unlock creative possibilities you never thought possible. So which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to AI Planet for more mind-blowing AI content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. So, let's embrace these incredible tools, explore their potential, and together, let's unlock a world of possibilities.